So what's up, guys? For my ski, I'm gonna do the through-hole exhaust kit. This is the Worx one. I could have just went with Riva Racing, but I don't know. Something about Worx, it looked better, I think. The pricing was fairly similar. The selling point is that the Riva Racing one is actually aluminum tubing, and this is silicone. I'm hoping, from the reviews I've read, this helps with the drone sound. You know, says like it's not pipe material like aluminum, but let's see. I'm gonna print out the instructions, and which I guess you guys can just see that you can just scan it right there, and then you print out the instructions, and we'll make a video installing this. So I'm gonna start with removing the free flow exhaust. I'm gonna remove that from the water box. Hey. Okay guys, so I read the instructions. I'm gonna try to do it my way without, I'll call this the lazy way. I'm not going to take my jet pump out. I did remove the covers, the two rubber covers. I was able to access the exhaust bolts, the 10mm. I took them all out. I'm gonna pull it from the inside out. As you guys can see, I did not have to remove my jet pump. If I don't have to, then you guys can do it the same way I did. But if you guys want to follow the instructions and work harder, you can do that too. Okay, so this is the stock exhaust. It's the Worx. As you guys can see, you need to unscrew this and put this from inside the ski where the rubber gasket seals, like this. I was able to actually get the plate installed. You need two people for this job. Somebody has to hold the plate from the inside, and then from here you can reach to tighten up the bolts, and your jet pump is still right in place. Here you go, guys. I'm putting everything back. As you guys know, all I had to take was the reverse grate off, these rubbers, which has 6 10mm bolts holding it. On this side 3, on this side 3, and then I was able to access, as I guys told you right here, to install the block off plate. I am gonna be working on this next. The instructions do say I'm gonna actually drill the hole, but you need marine gray Sikaflex to secure and seal the outlet to the hole, as the hole is not perfectly flat. It's not a perfectly flat surface, and it's really not, which I guess that's the difference between the Riva Racing kit and this one. From my understanding, they come with a gasket that seals. This one doesn't. So you kind of just have to make your own gasket with the sealant. I'm going to show you guys how I did this. As you guys can see over there where my finger is pointing, that's the hook that's on the outside. I'm going to try to get it somewhere close to that in the middle. So as you guys can tell, you seen where the hook is at. I'm gonna aim, a lot of people kind of went over this sticker. I'm gonna most likely see if I can aim for somewhere around here. Kind of like, let me see. Kind of sort of like this. Like that. Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys ran into this problem, but I definitely did. So I was trying to print off my phone, right? And as you can see, let me see if the camera catches it. This is off my phone. I had to connect it to my laptop to print. As you can see, the size difference is it's a pretty big difference. So you want to make sure you are printing from an actual computer and set right here. Ensure that the scaling is set to none or actual size when printing, or if not, it'll come out like this. And if you drill this, you're in for a long day. So make sure. This is a very important step. They should actually, realistically, Worx Racing should print this template out and provide it with the shipping. That's what they should do. Okay, guys, so I drilled the holes. I'm almost there. But I'm gonna let you guys know this kit didn't come with the drills for this, for you to drill these screws. Didn't come with a lot of stuff for that price point. I don't know. Here's a time lapse. You would say this was about 15 minutes. If I'm being realistic, was more about like about an hour. The hardest part of the installation is right here, as my body, my hands don't reach back there. My arms wasn't long enough. So installing that clamp that you guys see on the screen was the hardest part of the installation. If anyone has a video of how they did it, I will appreciate it. This can help me in future installations on my friend's skis. But yeah, guys, this right here is where you will spend most of your time at, trying to get this clamp.